Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to convert JPEG into PDF documents. That is how to convert your photos into PDF documents. So on your PC, on your phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone, you can do that. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So on the PC, we are going to be using an app that comes with Windows. So I'm going to go to my search field and then I'm going to search for Photos app. So yes, it's right here. So I'm going to click on open. So yeah, I'm on my Photos app. So I have some pictures right here that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. But if you are in your Photos app and you can't seem to find the pictures you are wanting to save as a PDF, you can go up to this import button right here. So when you click on the import button, so you see these two options. The first one is to import from a folder on your PC, while the second one is to import from an external device, whether you're using a USB or a hard drive. So let's say for instance you are importing from a PC folder. So when you hit on this from a folder button, so this window is going to pop up where you have to select the location where your folder is. So when you are done selecting your pictures, you can click on the import button right here, which will be highlighted as soon as you are done selecting. So to save pictures as PDF, so I'm going to select this right here, this, and this. So that's okay for now. So when you are done selecting the pictures you want to convert into a PDF, you can go ahead and hit on this print button right here, or you can simply hit on Ctrl P on your keyboard. So when I do that, this window is going to pop up where you have to select the printer. So normally you have to select a physical printer to print your work, but in this case you are going to select the Microsoft Print to PDF printer. So when you hit on it, and then you can come down here and modify the settings to your own preference, how you want your PDF document to look after you are done converting. So I'm okay with this right here, so I'm going to click on print. So after clicking on print, this dialog box is going to pop up where I have to select the location where I want my PDF documents to be saved. So I'm going to click on my desktop and then I'm going to name the file as PDF convert. Then I'm going to click on save. So I'm going to go over to my desktop right here, and there you see my document is right here. So I'm going to click on it to open. So here are my photos right here that are now converted into PDF documents. So that's how to convert photos into PDF documents on your PC. So we are going to jump right into the phone right now to see how we can do it over there. So yeah, I'm on my Android phone right here. So I'm going to go over to my Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone, you can go over to your App Store. So on the search field, you are going to search for Office. So when the search is done, what you're looking for right there is this Microsoft Office Edit and Share. So you're going to click on it. So I've installed this app on my phone before, but if you haven't, you have to click on the install button or the get button on your phone to get it. So yeah, I'm on my Microsoft Office on my phone, and then I'm going to click on this action right here. So when you click on the action right here, you see that there's a lot you can do right here with the Microsoft Office app on your phone. You can transfer files, you can convert image to text, you can also extract table from the picture into Excel, sign in a PDF, scan to PDF, convert pictures to PDF, convert documents to PDF, and many others. So for this video, I'm going to be converting pictures to PDF. So I'm going to click on this button right here. So I'm going to select some pictures right here on my phone that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So I'm just going to hit on a few of them. So that's enough. So I'm going to hit on this little arrow button right here. So I have some buttons down here. So the first one right there is to enable me add pictures to my document in case I miss one of them. And then the other one is to add filters to the pictures. So let's say I want to make the picture more appealing to the eyes. I can use some filters right here to do that. You can also crop the picture right here by hitting on this crop button right here. And then there are more options right here where you can add text, rotate. You can even add annotation by clicking on this ink button right here. So immediately you are done with all the settings you have to do, you have to click on this done button right here. So after clicking on done button, you're going to see that your pictures are in the PDF format. Then this button right here is to share. You can share on WhatsApp, share on Facebook, and wherever you want to share. And then you can also click on this button right here to save your documents. So when you click on the buttons, you can click on save as, and then you have to give it a name. Let's say I'm going to name this PDF convert. So you're going to select location for the file by hitting on this device, and then I'm going to save it on documents, and I'm going to click on save. So when you're done, you can go back to your home page, and then you see your documents right there. So I'm going to click on this to open, and then you see your photos right there as a PDF document. So that's how to do it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.